Hi, good morning everybody. Today let's going to read about the follow. Pay attention. Biomes all over the world. A biome is a community where certain kinds of plants and animals live. Earth has more than 30 different kinds of biomes. These photos show the most common ones. Forests cover about one-third of the land on Earth's surface. Forests are filled with trees and plants. Temperature. Forests have different seasons. In winter, these forests can be cold. In summer, they can be hot. Temperatures. Forests get a lot of sunlight. The sun helps plants grow. Many animals live in forests. All need to be able to survive in different seasons. Small animals such as squirrels and skunks can be found in the temperature forests. Large animals such as black bears also make their homes there. Another kind of forest is the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are in areas near the equator. All rainforests get a lot of rain every year. The rain helps plants grow. In fact, rainforests have more kinds of plants than any other biome. The trees grow so well that very little sunlight can get through the canopy of leaves. This makes the ground in the rainforest get dark. The darkness inside the forest makes it a perfect home for animals such as bats and small insects. Many exotic birds, reptiles, and mammals live in the forest. The Arctic tundra is the coldest biome on Earth. Trees do not grow into the tundra. Winds are very strong. Ice covers the ground and weather freezes. Animals such as polar bears must be able to live in the cold. Most animals that live in the tundra have extra fat to keep them warm. Many birds and other animals migrate to a warm climate for the winter. In the summer, the weather is warm enough in the tundra for things to grow. Plants and flowers appear. These plants and flowers can live in cold temperatures. Animals that eat plants and grass can find more food during the summer. Mountains on every continent on Earth, most mountains have forests at the bottom of them. The higher you go up a mountain, the colder and winter it gets. The top of very high mountains look like a tundra. Only small plants and flowers grow in these areas. The plants usually grow close to the ground so the wind cannot knock them over. Animals that live on mountains, such as mountain goats and mountain lions, must be strong climbers. Desert biomes have very little rain. Most plants cannot grow there. Deserts are either very hot or very cold. This makes it hard for anything to live there. Plants and animals that live in the desert have adapted to life with very little water. There are few or no trees on grasslands. Average rainfall in somewhere between a temperature forest and desert. The plants that live on grasslands don't get a lot of water year round. Grasses and wildflowers throughout year get enough water to grow at least part of the year. Prairies and savannas are two types of grasslands. Savannas are located near the equator. Animals such as zebras, elephants, and lions live on the savannas. Prairies are in more temperature areas. Animals like bisons, deer, and horses live on prairies. Animals Small animals and insects such as rabbits, snakes, and grasshoppers live there also. People have turned most prairies into farms. The soil is good for planting crops. Farm animals can graze on the grass, but this means that there are not many grasslands on Earth as there used to be. The ocean biome is the largest biome of the area. Oceans are huge bodies of water. They make up 70% of Earth's surface. Many kinds of animals and plants live in oceans. Fish, crabs, and clams spend their lives underwater. Large animals such as whales, sharks, and dolphins also live in the ocean. Blue whales live in the ocean. They are the largest known mammals on Earth. Ocean water is very salty. Animals that live in the ocean must be able to drink salt water. Earth has many different biomes with a variety of plants and animals. Look around you. Which biome is the most like it, the place where you live?